Hi, this is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach and Palm Beach Gardens at PGA Marina. I'm going to take you through a nice quick walkthrough of the Galeon 485 HTS. A nice little coupe layout. Let's take a look. As we enter the cockpit from the transom, it has a wide teak inlaid hydraulic swim platform. You can put a nice davit here, hard bottom inflatable, dinghy, jet ski, good storage in the transom. As we walk up, we walk into the cockpit. Nice social cockpit, horseshoe seating, dinette table, perfect for entertaining. The two doors that you see here, they electrically go down, so it opens up the interior salon into the cockpit for a beautiful day Moria. Let's take a look. Now we're in our interior space here before we get to the salon. Again, this is nice social horseshoe seating, entertaining table. On the starboard side, we have a nice wet bar, fridge freezer, a lot of storage. This is all nice and enclosed. You can see the hard top as well. Now this hard top sunroof opens up as well. So on a nice day to get some natural air coming in, it's a beautiful enclosed coupe, but you can open it up to make it a nice airy day boat. You have 2-zone AC that controls the climate in this entire area. This is our helm station. Now, the 485 does come with our pods. It's twin 435 Volvos, the D6 diesels, with pod drives. That's joystick docking. Makes it too easy, almost cheating. As we walk in the center, we'll walk down to our salon. As we enter the salon, we have a nice full galley to our port side. This is our beechwood interior. They do such a great job with the wood. It's unbelievable. You have your dinette to your starboard side. Nice and open. That also drops down into a berth. This is our full master, actually a full beam master aft. And then our guest staterooms are forward. Let's take a look at the map. This is our full beam master on the 485 HTS. You have the nice open side windows, beautiful look. Nice sunrise, sunset. They close up for privacy. You have your port side lounge, center island berth, and again the full beam master with the open on the starboard side as well. Integrated TV. You also have enclosed private master head with a stall shower. It's pointed very nicely. They do a great job, so the master has its own private head with a stall shower. Let's take a look at the guest suite. As we enter up to the salon in the bow, we have our guest stateroom. Again, island berth, ton of storage. They do such a fantastic job with the storage. Wherever they can put it, they put it. Nice open windows. Nice open up top, close up for privacy. Full stand-up closets, and of course full head. So you have a head here. So that is a quick tour of our 485 Galeon HTS. We are here at Palm Beach Gardens, PGA Marina. We are MarineMax Palm Beach. Please come by and take a closer look. Thank you.